In the cryptocurrency market, there are many ways to make money. This includes not only buying and holding digital currencies in the traditional sense, but also staking, interest accounts, airdrops, play-to-win games, and many more ways to make money with digital currencies as well. There are 5 proven ways to make money with cryptocurrency in 2022 that we'll talk about in this guide. If you're wondering how to make money with cryptocurrency right now, check out the 5 ways below. Below, we show you how to make money from the above 5 ways. In general, the best way to make money with cryptocurrency is to invest in promising new coins as soon as they come out. The best way to make money with cryptocurrency is to invest in the best altcoins as soon as possible. This is the best way to make money. That's because when Bitcoin first came out in 2009, you would have only paid a small fraction of 1 cent for it. Even so, when Ethereum's tokens were first released in 2015, they were worth just 75 cents each. Both of the projects above are now worth a lot of money and have made a lot of money as a result. Lucky Block is a more recent example. This app is building a decentralized app that will help people around the world play lotteries through immutable smart contracts. The price of LBLOCK was just $0.00015 when it started its pre-sale in January 2022. Since then, CoinMarketCap says that Lucky Block has broken through a price of $0.009 on its way to $0.002. This means that in just a few months of trading, they made a lot of money. The Lucky Block cryptocurrency project is still very new. This means that you can invest in this project early. This will give you the best chance to buy at a good price. 2. Staking and interest. Make money from cryptocurrency tokens that aren't being used. You can make money from them even when they aren't being used. There are 2 important ideas in the cryptocurrency markets that allow you to make money from your digital tokens even when they aren't being used. The first is crypto staking, which involves locking your tokens away for a certain amount of time to help validate transactions on proof-of-stake blockchain networks. Cardano, Tron, and Ethereum are some of the best networks for staking. Key. As long as your tokens are in the safe, you'll get a rate of return. With that said, if you use the eToro platform to stake, you won't have to meet a minimum lockup period. To make things even better, you can take your tokens out of the game at any time. The second thing to think about when learning how to make money with cryptocurrency in a passive way is an interest account. In the most basic form, a crypto interest account works like a traditional bank. So, when you deposit cryptocurrency tokens, you will get paid a rate of interest. This is why. As a result, unlike when you stake your crypto tokens, your money won't be put into a smart contract. On the other hand, your chosen service provider will lend your tokens to people who need money. For this reason, the borrower will pay you a rate of interest for as long as the tokens are being loaned out to other people. Akru has the best crypto savings account on the market right now, and it's called Akru. This well-known platform lets you earn 7% per year on deposits of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and 12% on deposits of stablecoins like Tether. All Akru accounts can be changed, so there are no lockup terms to meet. Because the app is called Akru, you can use it to deposit money in cash and buy cryptocurrency. 3. Day trading. Make money by trading cryptocurrency pairs on the stock market every day. One of the best ways to make money with cryptocurrency is to do a lot of day trading. However, there is a small catch. You will need to know at least a little about how to look at prices to figure out if the token in question is going to rise or fall in value. If you can do this, you can make money by trading crypto all day long and making money from it. The main idea of crypto day trading is to take advantage of short-term changes in prices. Many experienced traders in this market don't hold on to their positions for more than one day. As a result, the goal is to open a lot of positions during the day and make small, but steady, profits. Day trading in crypto. To day trade digital currencies, you need to find a regulated crypto exchange that meets 2 main criteria: low fees and support for a lot of different markets. This is what you need. Regarding the first, if you are day trading crypto with an exchange that charges a lot of fees, you won't be able to make the process worth it. When you make money on a trade, you'll have to pay commissions to get your money back. Even though Coinbase charges 1.49% per slide, this fee must be paid before you can make money on the trade. For example, this fee must be paid before you can make money on the trade. There is a lot more competition with eToro, on the other hand. Furthermore, eToro gives you access to dozens of top digital currencies, so you'll never run out of things to trade during the day. 4. The fourth thing to do is to buy cryptocurrency and hold on to it for a long time. You might think this is the best way to start making money with cryptocurrency. The term hodling, which is a play on the word hold, refers to buying a cryptocurrency and holding on to your tokens in the long run. If you buy stocks and hold on to them for a long time, this isn't any different. Investing in long-term cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum means you don't have to worry about short-term price changes. In May 2021, Ethereum was worth $4,300 per token. Soon after, the price of Ethereum was down to $2,100. It's called crypto hodling. If you had sold your ETH tokens in a panic, you would have lost about 50% of your money, which is a lot. However, if you had been hodling, by November of the same year, Ethereum was worth almost $4,900 per token. This is just one of many. The main point here is that the best way to invest in cryptocurrency is to use a long-term plan. To keep your money safe, you need to find a good exchange. Another good choice for this kind of thing. eToro is also a good choice, because you can start investing in 60 top cryptocurrencies for just $10. You will also be able to hold on to your coins for a long time because this exchange has been approved by licensing bodies in the US. 5. Play to earn crypto games. You can get money for playing crypto games. Trying to figure out how to make money with cryptocurrency might surprise you to learn that you can play games to do this. Make no mistake about it. The play-to-win crypto game market is now worth billions. There are a lot of different types of games in this space, but one of the best crypto games to play is Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual world that lets people from all over the world make virtual avatars, talk to each other, and buy land. You get a unique NFT when you buy land and build a real estate project on it. Then, you can sell your real estate NFT on the open market, so you can make money. Some plots of land in the Decentraland metaverse have sold for millions of dollars, even though this sounds like a crazy idea. This means that if you invest early, you can get an NFT at the best possible price. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.